So yeah guys, finally have our tree. We bought it a week ago. It's a live tree. Still need to get an angel. I went to the store today but didn't find anything what I liked. Still need to wrap presents, put it under the tree, but I love how it looks right now. Here's some mulled wine we're making. There's orange peel and cloves and cinnamon sticks somewhere supposed to be there. Oh, here we go. It smells so good. So here we have our fireplace stockings, which Penelope hung yesterday.
Yeah,
Yes, people?
I hate the socks. And Mama did these.
Yes, Mama did those.
They're so beautiful.
Oh, the snowflakes are falling. I think they're not really jumping, they're falling, right? Okay. Yeah. Well, I think they're spinning a little bit slow. We have a tradition each year. We buy a nutcracker. Since Penelope was born, we started this tradition. And Pipsy, how old are you now?
2,
How old are you right now?
4.
4. So Pippa is 4 years old. We have actually 4 nutcrackers. I know we have here 5, but the middle one is the present which I bought for my sister. But before I'm gonna give it to her, it will be here. We got this one this year, this one. I love it so much. He's so handsome.
Yeah, so handsome.
Yeah, and this one we got in 2015, the year when Penelope was born. Also very beautiful nutcracker. Are you doing it to me? You like mandarins? We have a tradition in Russia to eat mandarins during the holiday season, during the New Year and Christmas. You like mandarins? People, let me ask you some questions.
Stop.
What would you like? What would you? Okay. All right. Let me ask you one question. Okay, one question. Very important question. What would you like to get from Santa Claus? Which presents?
A kitty cat toy.
Okay, what else?
A unicorn dress.
Okay, that's nice. What else?
It has on it pink, light blue. It has blue and green mixed with light green.
Okay. Is that all? Something else?
And on it there's sparkles.
Okay, sparkles on the dress.
Mm-hmm.
I see. That's nice.
And
Do you like the mandarins?
and the yo-yo. And the yo-yo.
Yo-yo. All right. We also hang some lights at the back of our house. And it's pretty cool seeing them when we in the living room looking at the windows. I think it's pretty nice. And that's our kitchen, so whenever I cook I always see the lights are twinkling. As you see guys, today I'm wrapping presents. I haven't bought everything yet and I'm going to the mall like in 1 hour. So we decided to go only with the white and silver ornaments, and to be honest I love the way our tree looks. Last year we had it golden and red, which was absolutely gorgeous, but every year I do something different. So I also bought some paper which as the tree, also white color, a little bit of it, blue. I love this paper. Look at this. I don't even know which color is this. It's like a sky blue, I don't know. And this one has some like snowflakes, and absolutely gorgeous. That's all I can say. Look at this one. This one, absolutely my favorite one. This is actually for Penelope's grandmother. I think she's gonna love it, and I hope she's gonna like what's inside. Look at this bow. Isn't it beautiful? Love it so much. I would like to receive a gift like this. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show you what I have here. Different kind of bow, big, small, just tags. Look at them. There's little snowflakes. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. So guys, I'm wishing you Merry Christmas, you have a wonderful holidays, and I'll see you next year. Here guys, I just wanted to show you how we decorated our house on the outside. You can see over there our tree. Usually we do some decorations over the roof, like over here, but this year we didn't do it, but I think it still looks pretty. Look how beautiful the sky is today. Real nice day. Kind of chilly, but very Christmassy weather. Peeps, what you doing?
What is it? Yes, this.
Are you sure?
Something for mama. Cash rewards card from 87 gives you 1.5% cash back on purchases and has your back with fraud protection. Applying.
Yeah, we thought that was a snowman. You look gorgeous. You look so sweet.